It's an Audi. Any Audi? It's an Audi. Any Audi. Audi. Any Audi. 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 Any undies. Alright, guys. So it's the morning and we have some sunlight. So we're going to go around the Audi. This is a 2004 1.8 T turbo. We got a little superficial stuff on the bumper there. I think I can fix that. Not so sure about this plastic, I don't know, bumper accent or whatever that is. I got the fog light housing, grill. I got the main grill. I thought the Audi rings would be good, but they're not. And I did not notice the lower grill here, but all that's easily fixable. That side's good still. The headlights are good. Hood, obviously messed up. I got one of those already. And other than that, the body's really solid on this thing. There's a couple little dings. Yes, baby. My flowers. Yes, first flowers of spring coming up here. Looks like a little scuff on the back bumper. But nothing that we can't handle. How did they do that? Sometimes I swear. How do you hit both corners of the bumper but not damage the quarter panel?
Hi.
Uh-oh. You want to say hi, Kyra?
Hi.
Bubby, you want to say hi to YouTube? Oh, quit turning all my lights on. Did you open my sunroof?
Yeah.
You Bubby's crazy. But, yes, guys, it's very good. Tires look alright. The rotors are very thick, and the brake pads are thick. Obviously, it's been sitting a bit, but that'll clear up as I drive it. Everything looks really good. Two of the tires, which one was it? I think it was this front one here, and one of the ones in the back. No, I'm not being quiet. I'm making video. Yeah. But one of the tires, or two of the tires were low. I pumped those up this morning. It's been a couple hours, and everything looks good. Maybe they were just low. Pull the hood up. Okay, so the engine looks fairly good. Little dirty. Nothing too hateful. What's that? The fuel rail? Yeah. Okay, so the fuel rail's there. Is that my oil dipstick? Huh. Have to check that. There's a note here on the intake that says engine code AME. You guys are crazy. You gonna check it? I'll hop up here. Don't touch it. Say, do we have oil?
Yeah.
Do we have oil?
Yeah.
So we have oil.
Oil.
Okay, put it in.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait a minute. I need engine.
You need to clean the engine. No, not right now. We gotta fix the damage before we start cleaning. Alright. But yeah, it's got 150. Who's driving my car? Who you think you are driving my car? Was you driving my car? It's got 100. You can see there on the dash, 150,000. Obviously, it's a salvage title because. Okay. Obviously, it's a salvage title. No, don't press buttons. Don't stop the recording. Show them the car. Show them all the stuff. Show them the radio. Bubby, point it at the radio.
Okay.
Point it. No. Sit. Xavier, sit. Kyra. Show them the radio.
Show the radio.
Yep. Say here's a glove box. Say here's the glove box.
No more. No more.
No more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come on. Look. Here's our lights. Garage door opener I can hopefully program maybe. Or somebody can. Sunroof. Bubby, come on. So, here she is running. Running very good. Nice and quiet. No major issues that I can tell. Everything seems good. I'm real excited about this one, guys. I'm gonna do some work on this thing, clean it up. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna paint the whole thing. Don't know what color yet, but I think I'm gonna enter my soiree into painting. And yeah, we'll see what we come up with, but $1,400 I paid so far. Bubby, did you just pick my flower? That's for the bees. Just for the bees. Go give it to Sissy. Kid picking a flower. It's actually, I would say, I'm going out on a limb and going fairly clean. It's in pretty good shape, honestly. Buttons are a little worn on the heater controls, but apparently that's super common. You check an engine. Yeah, guys, but I'm really excited about this one. I already got the hood, the grill. I got most of the pieces I need, so this should be a pretty quick one. I'm going to take my time. I'm probably going to paint it. I really don't. I mean, the color's not bad, but I don't like it. So we need something better on here. So we'll see what comes of it. For now, I'm going to cut it off here. We'll see what ends up happening. I'm really stoked about this one.